Do you have low energy? Are you feeling weak, getting tired easily? Are you just not as vibrant and not as energetic as you know you once were? Well, guess what? Something might be wrong. Among the many things I've seen causing this is one, low blood count. So anemia in women from different reasons, sometimes iron deficiency, chronic inflammation, vitamin B12 or folate deficiency. Anemia can be caused by copper deficiency. Whatever the cause is, getting your blood count checked and getting the right treatment for your blood count may do a world of good to raise your energy levels if you are feeling weak. Another common reason in our population that's becoming an epidemic is hypothyroidism. That gland in your neck that produces thyroxine that gives you energy and raises your metabolic rate. Yes, there's an epidemic